welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a high ponytail tutorial. So let's get started. I am so happy you're back on my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Alright, so I started with my hair already slicked back and I did a really tiny bun, as you can see. Let's get started. Here are the tools that you're gonna need. A scarf, something that you can use, an elastic, and of course the hair. So I got some synthetic hair from the beauty store. Alright, now so you're gonna wrap your hair with the scarf. I like to do that just because I don't want to mess up what I already slicked with the gel. Now you're gonna take your hair, you're gonna split it in two. Take your elastic and wrap it around the hair, and that will secure the hair when you put it on your head. Now you're gonna put it over your little tiny ponytail. I usually wrap it around twice, but for this video I did it only once. Now you're gonna section the hair off so you can use that to wrap it around your ponytail and make it look nicer. Oh my god, I'm stuttering, guys, sorry. You're gonna wrap it around. And then you're gonna use some bobby pins to pin it together and secure your hair piece. You're gonna take the hair and then you're gonna just flip it over. Yes, girl, yes. And here's the final look. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for my next video next Wednesday. Bye.